Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Sony headphones with your iPhone. So first of all, you have to find these buttons, and as you can see right here, the middle button is the power button and the pairing button. So we have to click and hold it, and hold until this indicator starts blinking quickly blue. And also you will hear the pairing notification. Then all you have to do is just to go to the settings, open the Bluetooth, turn it on with the switcher, and we have to wait for the other devices list. Select your WH-CH520 Sony headphones. As you can see, after a few seconds we are successfully connected. At the end we are also able to check for the Sony headphones application. So we have to open the App Store, type Sony headphones, and we have to get this application, the Sony headphones. Okay, here we have some kind of the first setup. Okay, and as you can see, it looks like this headphones are also supported by the Sony application. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.